Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get X profile link. So actually guys, as you can see, I'm already on my profile, on my X profile, and actually guys, how can I get the link? So as you can see on the top right corner, I have 3 points. So all I gotta do is just to tap on it and then tap on share. So everyone, as you can see, I have multiple options to share my profile to, but I will go with the notes just to show you. So once I tap on notes, the link of my profile will be pasted just right here. So right now I can copy it and send it to whoever I want. And also everybody, as an additional information, you can also share your post or copy the link of your post. So everybody, how you can actually do that? You will need to tap on that icon, right? And after that, just go ahead and copy link. So let me show you an example of, just to show you it's already copied. So I will get into my notes, and right here I will just pass it next to my X profile link. So everybody, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.